In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary here. So at first, let's open any area where you can input text. It can be message, mail, whatever. And here we've got the English letters, as you can see, English dictionary. To change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap add keyboard, select languages you would like to apply. Let me pick Hebrew. Mark it, tap on done, and then remove unnecessary languages. And then go back, and as you can see now you can write in Hebrew. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.